Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to create your own game using a simple programming language called Scratch. Now you might be wondering, once you played games, you will be thinking, I wish even I could have played games, right? Yeah, I know you might be thinking like that because like you might have played a lot of games like Minecraft and GTA 5 and many games, and you might have yourself wondered, I wish even I could have created some games, right? Yes, you have came to the right video. Today I am going to teach you how to create your own games using a simple programming language called Scratch. Now, for those people who don't know what is Scratch, I want to just give you, I want to just tell you what is Scratch. Scratch is just a simple programming language. It does not use script. For example, like Python programming languages and all, you might have shown that you have to remember a lot of codes. You have to remember some codes. You have to type the codes, and also you might find a lot of errors in it. But Scratch is not like that. It's in Scratch you will find a lot of. It is like constructing a blocks, one block on the another block. It's something like that. It's not like a script way. You can create games, and it's not only used for creating games, it's also used for creating animations in it. Yeah, you can create animation also in it, but I will teach you how to create games in it. Now also, what is programming? For those people who don't know what is programming, or those who have never heard what is a program, I'm gonna just tell you, programming is a way by which you will communicate to your computer. Yes. Now suppose you want to create a game like Fortnite. Yeah, right. To create Fortnite, now you want to tell your computer that when I'm clicking W, I want the player to go front. When I'm clicking A, I want my player to go at the left. When I'm clicking D, I want my player to go right. So this way you have to tell your computer that I want my player to do these things when I'm clicking the XYZ buttons. Okay, there are a lot of programming languages by which you can program your computer to create different types of software. So I'm gonna teach you how to program your game with Scratch. It's a very easy programming language. So without wasting the time, let's get into the video. Okay, so right now we are in the site where you can find Scratch. It's a site where of Scratch. You can join Scratch by signing in, and you can even log in if you're having already account. I'll talk to you about this later in the end of when we will start creating games and all using Scratch. So I want to tell you, using this create option, you can start programming Scratch in the web itself, or else you can even download it. But if you don't want to download it simply, and you just want to create games using website, here you have to make sure which your device you are using, Windows or Mac OS or Chrome OS or Android. I'm using Windows, by the way, so Windows I'm gonna use. You need the following stuff in your devices. If according to your device, Windows 10, if you're having Windows 10, you only can use. Otherwise you can even go for creative. You can create in the website even. So I will install this thing. You're gonna click direct download here, so it will directly download it. I'm saving it here, downloads, save. So I'm gonna launch this, and anyone I'm gonna use, you can even use it for privately. It's your wish, it's according to you. It's installing. So finish, it's downloaded. So this is what you wanna see when once you download it. It's Scratch Desktop. This is the character which you are gonna program. You can, if you don't want this character, you can even design your character by going customs. Here you can design your sprite, you can backdrops and all. You can design the sprites. It has 2 frames. You can change the frame. I will teach you later about that. This is for the sounds. Here you can have some sounds. This is the meow sounds. See, meow sounds. You can even add your sound even. I will teach you this later. This is the code area where you, now this is the section where you're gonna find your codes. I told you, right, you don't need to remember the codes. It's very easy. You have to pick the codes from here and you can place it here. For example, I'm gonna tell it move 10 steps, events. When flag clicked, I want this is flag. Okay, when flag clicked, I want this cat to move 10 steps. Now see this, it has moved 10 steps. If I'm telling move 20 steps, now see, it will move more steps, more than one. this, and if you want to place it here, you can see the location. It is minus x. The x position is minus 135, which is this thing. This is the x position. Y position is 74. So we have told it move 20 steps. If we would have told change x by 10, that means I want this character to move by x. So let me remove this thing. Let me delete this and let me keep this here. I want this thing to move 10 steps in the x position. So when I'm gonna click this, it moved. Now I want this character to go backwards. What am I gonna do? It's very easy. You're gonna take this 10 and wait, yeah, you're gonna click here minus 10, and now see, it will go back. See? So I'm gonna delete this code and I'm gonna keep another code. Change y by 10. Now I'll tell you what is y. Y means this position, up down, up and down. This up and down. This is the position of y. Now I want this guy to move 10 steps up. So I'm gonna click the flag to go. It will move 10 steps. Now if you want this guy to go down, what are you gonna do? It's very simple. You're gonna make this 10 minus, and then you see, here you go, it's going down. So as you understood, this is how. I'm not gonna go today so much deep on this coding. By tomorrow I'm gonna show you one game which we will be focusing on. I will tell you how to create that game of this thing. You can practice this thing. If you want, you can go to for the next video. You have to just wait. Our next video will be coming soon. So just tell me in the comment box which game do you want me to create, like shooting game or action game. I'll create one game and I'm gonna show you how to create the game. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Make sure you like this video, go down and subscribe our channel, click that bell icon so that you can never miss our single video. So bye.